Thank you. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the company, and my CTO is the other co-founder. So I have been in machine learning for more than 30 years, and everybody wants to have good data, and everybody wants to get business value out of data continuously. Is there anybody who doesn't have that goal here? I guess everybody is on the same page, okay? So our customers are getting value out of data continuously. 8% increase in retention in 3 months, 20% increase in customer outreach efficiency, 25% increase in sales forecast accuracy. These are all happening, and you can do it too. McKinsey says that you need 100 people in advanced analytics to be successful in advanced analytics in your organization. Yet, these customers I talked about, they have 1 to 4 data analysts, business analysts, and they can actually manage machine learning models in production successfully. How do they do it? They do it because they are using the platform that I'm going to demo it to you right now. And we are also AI enabling our customers because it's a journey. We train and monitor them, mentor them, and they can actually learn how to do their other use cases. For the first few use cases, we are hand-holding our customers. So without further ado, I'm going to show you a customer retention use case. I'll show you how to profitably retain your customers. It's not just about retention, it's about profitable retention. You'll see 3 things. One of them is the first one, a bit technical. I'll show you how you can create a machine learning model easily and quickly. Number 2, I'll show you how you can see business value on the dashboards. Number 3, I'll show you how you can deep dive into insights so you know which kind of actions to take. So are you ready? All right, so I need my glasses, I'm getting old. Okay, so we'll create a machine learning model. This kind of feels like how to train your dinosaur. Okay, so I have my data, and you are in an investment company, and you are making money by monthly commissions, and your customers are churning. Okay, so you need to stop that. You need to identify those segments of churn so that you know what kind of actions to take. So I pointed TAZI, the platform, to my data. My system asks me, like, what do I want to predict? I want to predict customer churn. What is the value? We always ask, why are you doing machine learning? If you don't know your business KPI, you should actually stop and think about it. So monthly commissions is the business KPI, okay? And data is obviously one of the most important parts of machine learning. Human is the other one, and people oversee that. So I want to make sure my data is good enough. So I'm going to let this tool, Profiler, automatically run through my data. It's going to tell me which variables are most important for churn, and it's also going to automatically process my data. So highest asset volume seems to be an important indicator of churn. The investment people around us might tell us that this is important. We have other variables, important variables. We also have these recommendations because data needs to be transformed to be useful for machine learning. So I have, with the click of a button, 124 transformations of data. Each of these take 1 data scientist time. So you have saved your data scientists 124 days with this button. I just accept all these recommendations. I could look into machine learning model parameters. I could also bring my own Python model or whatever else model. I'm just going to accept whatever has been automatically created for me, and I just press 1 more button, and I'm done. So you have just created a machine learning model, and it's ready to be put into production. So that was creation of a model easily and quickly. Was that easy and quick? Okay, good. All right. So now let's see how you see value. 1 second, okay. I always get nervous about these demos, like, what if it just doesn't work? Okay. So you are making $29 million, and you are losing $1.4 million. because of these 872 people who are churning. If you could call only the churners, you could be making $200,000 net every month. And you see all these statistics, all these actions, but you also see the decision scores and reasons behind churn. Because if you don't know the reason, your actions might not be that meaningful. So in the dashboards, you have seen business value. These dashboards are customizable, dynamic, and real-time. So you'll see what's happening right then and there. Now, let's go a bit deeper. We can see underlying machine learning explanations so that we basically shake the model and understand whether it is working right or not. This funny thing is called a sunburst diagram. On the right-hand side, you see what variables are important. Usually, the business people would look into those, and they would say, take that out, put that in. So that gives us an interaction and ownership. So we see these customer segments of churn one by one. These are automatically created based on your data by machine learning. I can zoom into them, and here I see a big segment, and I see that it is related to the commission rate and the number of representatives and also the risk. So I can take business actions right on this dashboard. So as a business user, I didn't tell my data scientist to do something. I just took the action myself. And these machine learning models are continuously trained. As business changes, you can see how your models learn. You can go back, you can see the value, you can also see which segments were most important for churn. You can see all of these. You can also audit your system. So this is an enterprise-grade system, ready to be deployed. REST API is ready for your service whenever you want. So you could be saving $200,000 today, or you could just understand what the reasons behind you not being able to do that also with this system. The first 5 people, I'm willing to try this for you for 2 weeks. Only the first 5 people who pass a certain criteria. I'm not going to accept any people who pass my criteria. Okay, thank you so much. See you.